5 things you shouldn't do in an automatic transmission car. Initially, driving a car equipped with an automatic transmission may appear less challenging compared to a manual transmission. The design of automatic vehicles usually offers a simpler interface, relieving new drivers from grappling with the sometimes perplexing stick shift and clutch. The purpose behind this design is to enable drivers to concentrate more effectively on the road ahead. Additionally, automatic transmissions prove their efficiency when it comes to navigating uphill terrains and dealing with stop-and-go traffic situations. However, despite the perceived ease of driving an automatic car, it's crucial to acknowledge that certain actions can inadvertently lead to transmission problems. Thus, let's explore 5 critical mistakes that one should avoid while operating an automatic transmission. By being mindful of these potential errors, you can safeguard your transmission from damage and prevent costly repairs down the line. Lastly, don't miss out on the wealth of valuable content available on our channel. We offer a diverse range of informative videos, similar to this one, on various topics related to cars and performance. Be sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell, ensuring that you stay up to date with our daily uploads on the Car and Performance channel. Number 5. Avoid shifting from drive to reverse before your car comes to a complete stop. We've all been in a rush and felt the temptation to switch gears without waiting for the car to halt completely. However, this seemingly innocent act can have severe consequences for your transmission and its components. When you shift while the car is still in motion, you're relying on the transmission to halt the vehicle instead of using the brakes. Consider this. Replacing worn-out brakes might cost you around $300. On the other hand, constantly shifting between drive and reverse while the car is still rolling can result in damage that could set you back a minimum of $3,000. The choice is ultimately yours to make, but it's crucial to weigh the potential risks and costs before engaging in this practice. Number 4. Avoid putting your car in park before it comes to a complete stop. Continuing from the previous point, here's another crucial mistake to avoid. While newer car models have safeguards in place, such as speed sensors, to prevent this error, older vehicles may not offer the same protection. If you've been occasionally guilty of shifting to park before your car has fully stopped, it's important to pay attention. Whether it's due to impatience or simply being unaware of the potential danger, remember that this action can cause irreversible harm to your transmission. The park position's primary purpose is to prevent your car from rolling away, not to halt it when it's still in motion. When you engage park, the transmission locks up, restricting the movement of the wheels. However, if you shift to park while the car is still rolling, it puts excessive strain on the locking pin or the output shaft, leading to possible breakage or erosion. To avoid costly repairs and maintain the health of your transmission, always ensure your car has come to a complete stop before shifting to the park position. Number 3. Avoid shifting to neutral at stoplights. It's not uncommon to find individuals who prefer not to keep their foot on the brake pedal when waiting at a red light. Some may have heard from so-called experts that leaving the car in drive at a stoplight can wear out the transmission. Regardless, it's still better to keep the car in drive rather than shifting to neutral while stopped at a light. For starters, when your car is in neutral, you have less control over it. This means that if you need to execute an emergency maneuver, you may not be able to do so promptly. Additionally, if you happen to forget that the car is in neutral and the traffic lights turn green, you'll end up revving the engine and consuming more fuel unnecessarily. Another approach some people take at stoplights is engaging the emergency brake, believing that it saves fuel. However, the reality is that this practice is entirely unnecessary. The amount of fuel saved is barely noticeable. It's best to keep the ignition on, the car in drive, and your foot on the brake whenever you're stopped at a light. This way, you have full control over your vehicle and can respond effectively to any situation that may arise. Number 2. Avoid coasting in neutral. There's a common belief among some people that coasting in neutral can save fuel. It seems logical, right? You're going downhill, so why not put the car in neutral and let gravity do the work? However, modern automatic cars are designed to optimize fuel consumption even when in drive. They have a system that cuts off fuel supply when you're going downhill, saving fuel automatically. Moreover, coasting in neutral reduces your control over the vehicle. When you're in neutral while going downhill, you can only slow down. You won't be able to accelerate if the need arises. Additionally, the engine runs at its lowest RPM, and the oil pump operates at a slower pace when you're in neutral. This can lead to insufficient cooling of the engine, potentially causing damage due to heat and friction. Number 1. Never launch your car from a standstill unless you're in a rally race. Launching your car from a standstill by revving it up in neutral and then quickly shifting to drive for rapid acceleration is a practice you should never engage in, unless you're participating in a rally race. Unfortunately, many drivers still engage in this behavior, unaware of the harm it can cause to their cars. Launching a car in this manner puts significant strain on the bands and clutches of the automatic transmission. These components rely on friction to function properly, and when you rev in neutral and abruptly shift to drive, they experience premature wear and tear. Even more concerning, repeated launches can lead to these parts losing their ability to maintain friction, resulting in slipping when the transmission is in gear. While clutches and bands can be replaced at a relatively affordable cost, the real expense arises when the transmission itself needs to be removed and disassembled to access and replace the damaged components. This can easily become a financial burden. It's essential to avoid launching your car from a standstill in this manner to preserve the longevity and performance of your transmission. Do you find yourself making any of these errors? Are there any other driving habits you're aware of that could potentially harm an automatic transmission? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Show your support for our commitment to keeping vehicles safe and in good condition by giving us a thumbs up. Help us spread the message by sharing this video with all the drivers you know. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on the Car and Performance channel for more content. Until next time, drive safely and take care of your vehicle. Bye-bye.